Hello viewers, first and foremost, I want to express my gratitude to wonderful response to my previous video. I'm really thank you guys for wonderful response. It is really overwhelming. Today we will continue our discussion from the last video and explore the ins and outs of website designing using WordPress. So let's dive right now in and discover the fascinating world of WordPress website design together. Let's start our session by going through the step-by-step process of purchasing domain and hosting. To begin, you can visit a domain provider such as GoDaddy. Please make a note. I am not endorsing or promoting GoDaddy. It is just simple example for our discussion. Now let's continue our topic. Open the web browser on Google, search for GoDaddy. Then on the search bar, put the domain that you want. Now here I'll search for alive digital elearnings.com. Here it is taken. Now either I can go for broker service or I can change the domain name. Let's put the another domain name, rohitdev.com. Bingo! rohitdev.com is available. Click on make it yours to purchase it. Let's now proceed and examine the process of acquiring hosting. As we discussed in the previous video, we learned about hosting and various hosting types. In this section, I will illustrate the steps involved in purchasing hosting. I suggest try to purchase the hosting and domain from the same service provider. That is, if you purchase a domain from GoDaddy, then please purchase the hosting from GoDaddy itself. The reason for this is that you may avoid the need of connect the domain and hosting and if they are acquired from different providers. Technically, this process is called a change in name server. We also call it as DNS, domain name server. So let's visit GoDaddy. Since we have already purchased the domain from it, that particularly website and service provider. Here you can see different types of hostings. The first one is the shared hosting. This may cost 99 rupees per month, but when you go at the end, it may add GST upon it. What I suggest, always try to purchase the hosting with cPanel. The reason behind this will be discussed in the upcoming sessions. Bingo! We are set to proceed with the installation of WordPress. After purchasing both domain and hosting from the same service provider, we are ready to install the WordPress. There are multiple ways to install the WordPress, and in this video, I will try to demonstrate two of them. The first method involves installing WordPress directly from the cPanel, while second method to download the WordPress from official website and then upload it to the domain. Why WordPress? So guys, this is very important to understand why we have elected WordPress as a website designing platform. So designing a website using WordPress is a popular choice for various reasons. Here are some of the key reasons why person like me prefer to use WordPress as the favorite website designing platform. User-friendly interface. Trust me, WordPress offers a user-friendly and very interactive interface that is easy to navigate even for the beginner like all of us. You don't need to be coding expert to create and manage your website. Wide range of themes. WordPress provides a vast library of themes, both premium and free, that cater to different industries and design preferences. You can choose a theme that suits your website purpose and customize it as per your liking. Extensive plugin support. The WordPress ecosystem includes thousands and thousands of plugins that add extra functionality to your website. Whether you need SEO optimization, e-commerce capability, social media integration, security enhancement, and that's likely a plugin available. So you will get plugin for everything. SEO friendly. WordPress is very well optimized for search engines. It generates clean and SEO friendly code, and there are plugins available like Yoast SEO that can be further enhanced to your site search engine visibility. Community support. WordPress has a large and active users community. If you encounter any issue or have any questions, you may find solution and assistance through forums, blogs, and online communities. You can talk to me directly if you need anything in terms of WordPress. Regular updates and security. WordPress is continuously updated and improve performance and security. Staying up to date is relatively easy, and security plugins are available to help protect your website from threats. Responsive design. Many WordPress themes are mobile responsive, which means the website will look and function well on various devices, including smartphones, tablets, smart TV, and projector. Content management. WordPress excels as a content management system. It is easy to organize and publish content, including blog posts, articles, images, videos, and many more. Scalability. WordPress is suitable for small personal blogs as well as to the large websites. You can scale your site as your needs evolve, making it versatile choice. Cost effective. WordPress itself is free and open source software. While you may need to invest in theme and plugin as well as hosting, the overall cost is often lower than compared to the custom web development. E-commerce capabilities. If you plan to run online stores, WordPress can handle e-commerce through plugin like WooCommerce, which is highly customizable and widely used. Analytics integration. You can easily integrate analytics tool like Google Analytics to monitor your website performance, track user behavior, and make data-driven improvements. Multilingual support. WordPress offers multilingual capabilities, allows you to reach a global audience by creating content in multiple languages. Customization options. WordPress offers extensive customization options. Developer can work on the code and design to create unique website tailored to specific needs. Content revision history. WordPress automatically saves revision of your content, making it easy to revert to previous versions if you need. Community themes and templates. WordPress has thriving marketplace for themes and template created by professional designers, developer, ensuring wide selection of high quality options. In summary, WordPress is popular choice for website design due to its user friendliness, flexibility, extensive support, scalability. Whether you are a beginner or experienced developer, WordPress provides the tools and resources to create website that suits your needs and goal.